Add the rice using a 1-to-2 ratio, 1 part rice to 2 parts water. When the rice starts to simmer, add cooked and drained ground beef. Let's add a can of the soup. This soup contains black beans. They are loaded with protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals can help reduce inflammation, fend off chronic diseases, contribute to weight loss, improve gut health, and promote a sense of fullness. Add a packet of taco seasoning. Make sure to choose one that really has the flavors you enjoy because these seasonings will be making this one-pot meal very flavorful. Add salt and pepper to taste. That means make it as salty or as peppery as you like. I wasn't playing. This one-pot meal is impossible to mess up.